In today's video, I want to just give you a little bit of a behind the scenes look at some of the cool stuff that we've been working on here on the Helpful Hero team, specifically related to AI, which I'm pretty excited about. Before I do that, I actually want to introduce you to Leo, who is a developer here on the Helpful Hero team and has really been spearheading a lot of what I'm about to show you. So here's Leo real quick.
Hi, my name is Leo, and I hope you like the new AI features we're developing.
He's awesome. You're about to hear a lot more from Leo as he's going to be creating some tutorial content, getting a little bit more into the nitty gritty of building modules and kind of getting under the hood of Clean. So stay tuned on this YouTube channel for that. But let's talk about some cool AI stuff. So one of the new modules that we're working with here, which I'm currently coining my own, Johnny 5000, is a awesome little module that basically allows you to add a cool little chat widget to any page on your website. So I've already added it, but I want to give you a little sneak peek if we pop right over here. Now, right here, you can see this little need help, which is going to trigger a little window that might look familiar to you. And it is completely AI powered. Now, the cool thing is you can train it, or at least we've trained it with a lot of the material related to Clean Pro. So for example, you come in here and say, hey there, can you tell me how to create a child's theme? Boom. And I've actually included a lot of my own content related to creating child themes, but Johnny 5000 here will actually go through that and be able to give you an intelligent answer. As you can see here, he's gonna start to answer this question and kind of break it down exactly what you need to do. And that's gonna go for a lot of different options right now for Clean, because I want to give you an even better tool to get an answer fast and also start to experiment more with some cool AI stuff, because our goal at the end of the day is to utilize this for our own purposes, but then ultimately build it in a fashion that you could use it for your own company and train it on your own data and then put it on your own website so that you could have a more dynamic way for people that are visiting your website to get answers. But let's look at this and I'll show you a couple more cool things. Now, obviously he gave us this pretty detailed answer and I could continue to ask it questions. Now, the cool thing is, if you notice right down here, it asks, hey, by the way, I'm curious, what's your email address? We've actually set this up so it syncs directly with our HubSpot CRM. So if I were to come through here and say, cool, that's awesome. Kevin at helpfulhero.com is my email. That's actually going to get stored in our CRM, which just makes this even more powerful in terms of growing your contact list and just really understanding who it is that is coming to your website and getting value from this chat widget. But wait, there's even more. I'm going to show you a couple other cool things under the hood. So if we jump back over to our page in the CMS and open up the Contents tab, we're going to see this little module right here. And if we go under Start here, there's a few cool things that we can do right off the bat. First is this idea of a preset behavior. So for example, I can say your AI name is Johnny 5000, but only state that once. Your humor is fun, hip, professional, simple. I can basically give it a personality cue and then also say, hey, at the end of the first, third, and fifth response in the conversation, ask the person for their email address. And so it's really going to be that easy to prompt your AI wizard chat, whatever you want to call it, Johnny 5000 in my case, on what you actually want them to do. Now, of course, if we go under here in the Styles tab and look under the chat styles, you can give the bot an image, you can give the user an image. In this case, it's Nerdface, which is after me, of course. And that's just the start of what we're beginning to build into this. Just to be clear, this is not released in Clean Pro yet. This is something that we're going to be utilizing for our own site and start to build out ways in order to actually release it to you. So your feedback, playing with this, utilizing this, and also just giving us requests on like what you would love to see in a product like this that you can use on your website is super, super, super helpful. So as we jump back over here, I'm gonna say bye for now. And yeah, if you are interested in potentially having a beta version of this module for your own website that you can test and play with, I did drop a link in the description below where you can sign up and register as an early beta tester. We're not quite ready to roll that out yet, but as soon as we do, you will be the first to know. I'm only gonna allow a very small number of customers in this beta program just so that we can have a really close touch point with you and really figure out what's working and really where the value add is. The very last question that I will ask of you, and if you could drop a comment below, this would be super powerful. It would just be super awesome. And that is, what would ultimately make an AI bot chat or something like this really valuable for you? Or what is it about either interacting with current chat bot AI sorts of things that you're already used to utilizing that really like is either frustrating, not that great, or like what are some of the things that you could see that we could focus on to really make this stand out and be ultimately unique and an awesome experience? Because that's what we're all about. It's creating awesome experiences for our customers and the people who champion our brand. With that, I'm out. Thanks for watching. More and more behind the scenes content to come to just get a sneak peek of what we're working on. And yeah, with that, I'm out. Have an awesome day. Later.